This video is all about self-help pamper, do-it-yourself or DIY techniques using different tools. I dedicate this to those who love massage and relaxation, however, either no time to do it outside or no budget to spend to be able to afford it. These tools can be used alone or alternatively you can with your partner. Let's start with the facial brush. Well, they say that facial brushes are better than anti-aging creams because it works in the same manner from peeling off dead skin, and therefore it is helping you to reveal your youthful glow. The results? Diminish wrinkles and will give you soft, healthier skin while offering a massaging practice that can result to relaxation. It also allows the dead skin cells to exfoliate faster, and then your skin regenerates more collagen, and progressively you will get tighter skin. It also eliminates any oil and dirt that's blocking the pores and permits treatment to penetrate in the skin. Therefore, it also helpful to those who suffer from breakouts and acne. The brush in itself diffuses into your pores, then removes excess oil and unnecessary dirt from your skin, making your skin acne-free, supple, and soft. As you glide the rotating head spin over your skin, the soft fibers scrub out congested pores and take off the dead skin cells from the top layer of your skin. This not only helps eradicate blackheads and acne, but it also evens out skin tone and makes your skin bright and lively. Caution, ladies, frequent use is not recommended because it can cause skin damage and may lead to premature aging. You can instead use it once or twice a week. Perhaps you have already heard of one of Japan's top beauty tools. It's called Referral, a face roller that can help you to give you a young, radiant skin. This is a multi-angular face roller platinum designed to deeply massage your skin, revealing its firm look just by doing it at home. All you need to do is to glide the platinum-coated face roller across your facial or body muscles to carefully massage your skin, and frequent usage will result to a luminous effect. This roller is especially created for the face and neck. It comes equipped with two multi-angular rollers that creates a squeezing motion, massaging your skin continuously as you glide it. What is the most impressive about this tool is the rubbing sensation it provides for the skin, and then it is relaxing while at the same time can give you beneficial effect in your skin. This happens because the blood circulation improves along the axis when you roll it through and then revives the skin, giving it a good skin surface. This roller helps tighten and tone the look of the skin. You can use it on the cheeks, jawline, neck, chest, and even all over your body. Daily usage is fine and recommended. Roller massage. It has a unique shape of the rollers for perfect massage with extra texture on them. The Roller Original Body Massager uses one of the methods of traditional Chinese medicine. A relaxing massage is mentioned in the ancient times. Its stimulating effects are rich, massaging movement on the lines result in regulation of the bloodstream and muscle relaxation. The therapeutic massage roller ball provides relief with a smooth gliding action that is tension-free and doesn't pull on your skin for full comfort. It is also small enough to slip into a purse or carry on for stress relief on the go. It's also great for long flights where your circulation might decrease due to prolonged sitting or sore points after a stressful day at work. One of the benefits of using a roller massage is that it stretches the muscles, ligaments, and tendons, eradicating stiffness and enhancing flexibility, while it improves the distribution of blood in your body. The rolling motions and the pressure you apply reduces pain and discomfort, while it allows you to focus more precisely on the painful area of the body or parts that are sore. And what I love about this product is that it enhances your quality and quantity of sleep, making you relax before bed or wherever you are. Electric massager. It is also beneficial for your body. Again, it improves blood circulation and increases the flow of oxygen to tissues, which helps reduce muscle tension and body pain. Thanks to electric wave massagers, you do not have to leave the house to enjoy a relaxing massage. It is a substitute that can be used while watching television and relaxing at home. You can do it on your own or take turns with your partner. The choices are infinite from all kinds of these devices. There are armchairs, electrical massage seats, cervical, shiatsu, facials, capillaries, and plus more. Aside from being reasonably economical, they are user-friendly while giving you comfort in your own place wherever you are. Massage not only can make you relax, improve skin elasticity, relieve pain, it can also reduce anxiety and others and enable you to get decent amount of sleep. Obviously, it is worth having the chance to take one at any time. You can avoid going out so you can save time and effort, and most especially, you can save your money. They can be used while you are relaxing at home or doing other activities such as listening to your favorite music, reading a book, or watching TV. At the end of the day, it will never be the same as the service of a trained expert, human massage or natural massage, because it is still far better than the electrical massage. You also cannot use these tools if you have special circumstances such as broken bone, if you're pregnant, or with special condition. In all instances, it is always advisable to consult a doctor first. My dear, all of these are optional. And if you own at least one of these tools, you can absolutely relax any time of the day, wherever you are, whoever you are, and whoever you are with. Again, at the end of the day, it is your choice. choose well, live well, and enjoy life. I hope to see you again next week for another vlog. Bye!